Dear students, today we are going to start a practical session on 8086 emulator. The first is how we can download the 8086 emulator. You should go on Google and you can write free download 8086 emulator software. Use first one link, then you will press on the first one link. You will get the window like emulator 886 setup. Then you will click on the emulator 886. You will get the first window appears. That window is the editor window. In this window, you will see the various options like the new open save as you know. In assemble option, you can convert that is used to convert assembly language to machine language. When you are writing the code in 8086, then it means you are writing in the assembly language and it will convert it into the binary. Like assembler is used to convert assembly to machine language. And when you are running the code, it will be created the object file that assembler used to convert into the binary file. Like for example, I have written a very simple code that is simply I'm taking the very simple examples like how we can run it. The first one example which we are taking, that is the simple subtract operation, like how we can subtract two numbers. Simply first is the move ax comma 1 2 3 4. In 8086 ax is a 16-bit register that is divided into two parts. One is ah and another is ar. Like 12 is stored into AH and 34 is stored into AR. We'll see it practically how we can do. Then second one is like in BX, it will be like in BX, the number is 1236. In this case, 12 is stored into BH and 36 will be stored into BL. Similarly, when you are subtracting, you are writing the instruction, subtract instruction. Then what it will do, it will as subtract ax minus bx, it will perform the operation like in this way, ax minus bx, and result is stored into ax. Now in this case, how it will be performed, like in ax, firstly it will be converted into the binary like 0 1 2 3 4. You know the binary number is 0001. Binary of 1 is 0001 and binary of 2 is 0010. Binary of 3 is 0011. Similarly, for the binary of 4 may be 0100. For the another case 1 2 3 6, again the binary for 1 is 0 0 1 0 1, and for 2 is 0 0 1 0. For 3 is 0 0 1 1, and for 6 is 0 1 1 0. Now we have to take the 2's complement of this number because this number is bx. How we can take the 2's complement? By taking the 1's complement and adding with it a 1. After taking the 2's complement of this number, we have to add it with the ax and we'll find the answer. And final answer will be in the hexadecimal form. This is a way how we can do, like this the number ax, which is binary, internally represented in the binary, and result will be stored into ax in hexadecimal. Now we are doing this is the code which we have to write by using new. When we are clicking on the new, we have written the code of simple very first instruction, subtract instruction. When you go on assembler, when we are going on assemble, it will create the binary file. Then I am clicking, I have created this file. Then I have to replace this file, yes. And after that, I have to run the code. When I am running the code, the emulator is halted. Like I am using the halt instruction, I have to go on the OK. Then this is the window appears. The first window appears after running your code is like in this window, there are various registers. On the left side, AX register, BX, AX, BX, base register, counter register, data register. Then these are some pointer register, code segment, instruction pointer, stack segment, stack pointer, base pointer, index register, source index, destination index, data segment, and extra segment. Like in this case, when we are running the code, what will be your output? We have to see step by step. Like in the first step, now this in this window, what is this window? Like 01003. How it will appear? It is a physical address. And 0100 colon 0008. What does it mean? It means 0100 is the data segment. This is the data segment, and this is your offset. This is your offset. Like when we are running single step, when we are starting from the step by step, then your this offset will be 0. Like what is your physical address here? Your physical address here will be 0100 cross 10 plus all zeros. Then this is your physical address. That will be 20-bit address. Like physical address is 0100. This is your 20-bit address. This is a data segment. This is a data segment, and this is your offset. How we are calculating the physical address? Multiplying this number by 10 plus this offset. This is your physical address. Now in this case, the first is move AX, 1, 2, 3, 4. What does it mean? It means 34 is stored into L and 12 is stored into AH. Now we are writing in single step, that is 34 is stored into L and 12 is stored into AX. This yellow line shows the pointer, like program counter moves to the next instruction. Now the next instruction, when we are running, 36 is stored into BH and 12 is stored into DL. When we are doing the subtract operation, after doing the subtract operation, the result will be stored into AX. Then we are running the subtract operation. What will be your answer? When we are doing addition of that two numbers, subtraction of that two numbers, my answer will be FF, FE. That we have already done. Then now this is your answer, which is stored into AX. This is your instruction pointer. This is your code segment, your data segment, and your extra segment. All have the 0100. It is a default value. Some of the assembler may take 0500, either 0005. It may be any. It depends upon the assembler to assembler. Now in this case, this is the default value 0100. I can modify it. Now this is the first example which we have run the code. Then we have to go on the next example. Then we are going to the next example. Like suppose we have the next example is I have written simple codes. The very good example, that is how we can write on the memory location. Now in this code, what does it mean? Now the next instruction, we are doing the MUL instruction. Every arithmetic instructions, the result is stored into AX register. By default, A register, when you are doing any operation like addition, multiplication, any operation we are doing, subtraction or addition, the result is stored into A register. Now in this case, when we are doing, what does it mean? It means 0301. What does it mean? It means it will be like when we are inputting, we'll input this like in this way. Now in this case, 0100, it is a data segment which our assembler is taking 0100. 0301 is my offset. Now in this case, what does the square braces mean? Square braces means the contents at this memory location, like the content at, we can calculate this by using 0100 cross 10 plus 0301. What does it means? 0100 plus 0301. This is your physical address. My physical address will be 0 like 01. It may be 01301. This is my physical address. Now what does this instruction mean? This instruction means the physical address 01301, the contents from this location is stored into AX register. Now in this instruction, we will see how we can input in 8086 emulator. Similarly, for the next case, what we do, we will do 0100 colon 0303. What does it mean? It means the physical address is 0100 cross 0100 cross 10. It will multiply it with 10 and it will add the offset, that is 0303. Then what will be your answer? That is your answer will be 01303. This is your 01303. This is your physical address location. What does it mean? When we are using the square braces, it means the content from that memory location is stored into PX. We will take 16-bit data at this location and that data is stored into PX register. When we are doing the multiplication, it means the AX is result is stored into AX, then AX is multiplied with AX is multiplied with BX. AX is multiplied with BX and result is stored into AX. This is the basically what we will do in this code. This is the just explanation of the code. Now we will run the code. We'll get the how we can take the input. We'll see in this multiplication instruction. Like when we go on save and when we are doing the assemble, then assemble this file and it will replace already this file is stored. Then after that run the code. When we are running the code, you will see step by step. Like we are going on the single step. When you are going on the single step, we have to give the input. Like this is a very important point in this video. How we can give the input in 8086 because there is no any input. It is taking the garbage value. So how we can give the input? This when go on view option. After going on view option, go on the memory option. When you are going on the memory option, this window will appear. And in this window, you can write the offset where you want to take the input. Like in the question, I have written 0301. Then I have to click on update. When I click on update, so I am taking here as a input 1111. This is the input which, for example, which I am taking. What does it mean? It means this is the 11 and this is the 11. Either I can take the different input like I have taken 1, 2. Then after that, I am going on update or another inputs I can take on another memory. Like if I have taken it on update, then what you will see, if I am pressing on the single update, your answer is 1211. Mean the first input is stored into L register, the second input is stored into H register. Again, I can give the another input that is 0303. I can take the another input, suppose that is 0303. Click on update. I'm taking another input again. I can take like suppose 0303 I have taken again. Suppose the input is 10 and suppose input is 14. Any input you can take. It means when we are clicking on update, the first input, next step, the first input that is 10 is stored into L and next input is stored into H register. Next step, multiplication. When we are doing the multiplication, the result will be stored into AX register. It will multiply AX with PX. Which input it will take? 1, 2 and 1, 1 and 1, 4 and 1, 0. Then it will multiply these two numbers and it will perform the output like the result is stored like in this way. Your result is stored, that is your result. Now in this case, now we are taking the motive of this example is mainly how we can do how we can perform the operation. Like if your result if you are taking the multiplication instruction, now we are taking the another input, that is another instruction we are taking, that is the division instruction. In division instruction, what it will do, like suppose I am taking AX, 61H. What does it mean? It means 0061. 00 is stored and 61 is will be stored into AX register. AX contain again two parts, AH and AN. Then move BX, 2. It means 0002 is stored into, it means 0061. Then it means is 000002. When we are dividing it, like for example, I am dividing it with the dx. Now in this case, I am taking the, when operand is a byte. Now in this case, your operand is a byte. Like I am dividing into 16-bit register. When we are dividing it into 16-bit register, then our remainder will be stored into, remainder will be stored into dx register, that is dx. Now we will discuss how it will be stored. But if your, when we go on save option, and after that we'll assemble the code, then click on run option. Now we'll see when we are doing the single step. Yes, 61, 0061, 61 means it is stored into L register, and 00 is stored into AH register. Again BX 0002 means 02 will be stored into L register, and 00 is stored into H register. The next is when we are dividing it. Dividing means AX is divided by BX. When we are dividing AX by BX, your remainder will be stored into DX register, and your question will be stored into L register. Now in this case, you can see your DX, your remainder will be 1 and your question will be 30. But if you are doing like, if you are taking the another example, like suppose you are taking your AX, when you, if you are taking your operand is BL, like if you're taking BL and we are dividing it with the BL. If we are taking it 8-bit numbers, now it will, when we are running this code, we'll see the output. First case is again AH 00 and AL 61. The second case is BL is 02 and BH is 00. When we are dividing it, now this is the difference between when we are taking the 8-bit, when we are dividing it by 8-bit number, your remainder will be stored into AH. In the previous case, we are dividing it by the BX. Your operand will be BX in the previous case. Then in that case, your operand will be stored into DX register. Now in this case, your operand, remainder will be stored into H register, AH register. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll discuss in detail all the ASCII and BCD instruction, how we can implement, how we can write a code using ASCII and BCD instructions.